Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to book a walk-in insurance examination. An insurance examination is one that is required by insurance companies when a person applies for life insurance or any other company that requires a physical examination of the person's body. An insurance examination booking type allows you to add the insurance form to reference the number and necessary information the company requires for its documentation. To clarify, a walk-in is a patient who did not make an appointment and came to the practice in hopes of seeing the doctor. Because this patient has walked into the practice, their booking status will immediately be marked as arrived. Before you start, you need to set up your walk-in insurance examination booking type with its linked booking status arrived in your settings. Please refer to the booking types user manual link in this video's description. On the correct diary, either double-click on a time slot or click on the New Booking button in the top right corner. The Add/Edit Booking screen will open. Complete the fields in the Booking Details section. Take note that in the Booking Details section, you need to select the Walk-in Insurance Examination option from the Booking Type drop-down menu. Because we chose the Walk-in Insurance Examination booking type, the booking status will automatically change to arrived. Search for the correct debtor in the debtor's search field, or change the search field to a patient search field by clicking on debtor. Once the correct debtor or patient's name appears from the search field, click on their name. The debtor's information will appear in the debtor's details section, and the patient's information will appear in the patient details section. If the debtor has more than one dependent, ensure that the correct patient is selected. Ensure that both the debtor and the patient's information is correct. Click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving, or click on the Save button to save the patient's walk-in insurance examination booking. The patient's walk-in insurance examination booking will appear on the diary.